In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to erase and format your external hard drive on Mac. So to do that, first we search for disk utility, click here, and then it's gonna take some time to check what external and internal drives we have in this computer. So as you can see here, I have 3 different external drives. So let's say I want to format this one, and to do that we select this, and then here in this menu you have to click. But before you do that, you have to be careful, and if you need to back up anything, please do back up, because once you erase it you can't recover. And here under the format you can choose different options if you want to, but I would recommend that you go with default settings and then erase. So friends, this is how you can format your external hard drive on Mac. I hope this tutorial will help you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.